What's up, everyone? Today we're focusing on improving edge clarity across your photos. Edges define shape, so maintaining them properly is important. Start by sharpening the main subject gently. Don't sharpen the entire image. Increase detail only where the viewer needs to look. In softer backgrounds, reduce clarity to help the subject stand out. Balancing sharp edges with soft surroundings gives the photo depth. Check zoom levels often so nothing looks overdone. If this helped refine your edges, stay tuned for more balanced editing lessons.